Sometimes ordinary life gives you a break, but not the kind of break you need. But when it comes to your tires, you can do something about it. In the event that your BMW encounters an unexpected road hazard, such as potholes, nails, glass, and other road debris, you'll feel relieved knowing you have BMW tire and wheel protection. Rather than repair a tire or wheel, we'll provide you with a manufacturer-approved replacement, and you'll have peace of mind knowing that your drive will be a safe one. Tire and wheel protection is just one part of the suite of BMW protection products that help protect against road hazards. Because when you're prepared for the unexpected, you can give yourself a break, knowing that all may be taken care of. Ask your BMW dealer how BMW Financial Services can take you beyond the drive with BMW tire and wheel protection.